Good evening and welcome to the channel. We got something in store for today. Yes, we do. We have something that I've wanted to do for many years. And it will last on the channel for a good while. Have some good content coming soon. So, I'll take you on my journey and we'll begin it together. I don't know why I want to use the key, because we have key fobs. Got the old goodness gloves ready, beds clean and ready to go. Let's make sure we got what we need in here. Always be sure and follow the Instagram channel. Oh yeah, we need, okay, we got some down there. We should be good. Alrighty, so let's get this adventure on the way. First stop, the bank. We gotta hear that cold idle though. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Anyway, when we get a little bit closer, I'll turn the camera back on and you can see the rest of the footage then. Here we go. We picked it up. 5.7 liter motor. It'll be epic. Take a picture here for the Instagram.